This isn't even relevant to real estate, but I just want to kind of show you where we're heading a little bit. There's a couple things I'm going to show you today, just to try to get your head around how big this is that you might not really understand. And this is the owner of Facebook, but he created something where you can literally sit in a room with people, and it doesn't say in this video, but you can change the languages. So it's in the metaverse where you can literally meet with people and you feel like you're sitting there face to face. So even with family, if you're hundreds of miles away or in another country, you can sit and feel like you're sitting in the same room as them. So I'll just show you a quick clip.
Conversation, Mark Zuckerberg, inside the metaverse. Mark and I.
So these are going to turn, they're already working on like the Ray-Ban different versions with just glasses. This is just a beta version, but you're probably going to see in the next year where you can just transport to other places in the country where you actually see each other as a human being. You can already do that, by the way, on Meta, but you can't see each other like as a human being. It's an avatar. So this is where you would actually see the other person just like they are.
I don't know if people can see this, but this is incredible. The realism here is just incredible. Where am I? Where are you? Where are we? You're an opposite, right? No, I mean this place. we're surrounded by darkness with ultra realistic.
So
we built a computer model.
So I'm not going to play through all this either, but I am just trying to have you get your head around like where we're going, because eventually, like, technology is just going to blow your mind. And I'm going to keep probably doing that as we go here. This is a tool called HeyReach, so we'll step back and get a little out of the super technical side of things. But what's cool with this, it's H-E-Y Reach. I can target people, anybody I want on LinkedIn. So if I want to go after real estate investors to sell properties to, I can do that. I taught you how to make a book. Might be a good way. I'll show you because that's how we're using HeyReach right now. But what this will do is it'll find every single person on LinkedIn that's a real estate investor. It can also take out all the realtors because I might not want those, which that's what we did. And it'll start sending messages to all of them automatically without me doing anything. So it finds the person I want, my avatar, and it starts communicating with all of them, liking their content, commenting on their comment, and sending them messages. So in my case, just because I know LinkedIn, it's so spammy, you're always getting like all this stuff, I wanted to do a give. So we're giving away a free book. I'm doing it for one of our brands, Eric Brewer. So what I haven't said is I own Real Advisors, which is also an educational company, and we launch different brands in different industries. And in this case, I'm giving away a book for Eric Brewer, and it ties into real estate because he teaches a strategy in real estate. We won't get into all the super technical side of just setting this up today, but I do want you to see the kind of replies I'm getting. There's a lot of thank yous in here. This person said no thanks. They might not, some of them will say they're just not into real estate anymore. But I said, hey, Mario, have you had a chance? So that's a follow-up asking if they had a chance to read the book. But I came across your profile and saw you've been active on LinkedIn. You've been active on LinkedIn lately. The other thing is I picked people that have been active in the last 30 days. Some people don't go on LinkedIn for like a year. So I'm picking active people. My name's Brian, and I'm actually reaching out to see if you'd like a book on novations for real estate investing. My partner, Eric Brewer, just released a new book on how he blah, 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 blah. So I give him the link. And these people are happy. So you're seeing thank you, thanks, I'll check it out. Hey, I'll check it out, thank you. No thanks, not yet, so that's fine. This one's from Domar's account, another one of my partners. By the way, my business partner is the top real estate flipping show on A&E, Zombie House Flipping. So here's what's really cool about HeyReach. There's a lot of different tools that'll do this on LinkedIn. What makes HeyReach special is you can stack them. So generally, there's different stuff out there that'll scrape the profiles and email them for you. This one, you can put multiple accounts on the same campaign, and I can send thousands of LinkedIn messages out a day. I snagged this up on AppSumo, which I'll show you in just a moment, so I never have to pay for this again. I paid one fee, and I get it forever, so I have free leads on tap. But this, again, this is a very cheap tool to use and it just works for you. So if you're trying to get people to sell you houses, wholesaler, you're trying to get people to buy your houses, whatever the prospect is that you're looking for, it's probably going to be hard to find motivated sellers on here. I don't know exactly how you target those besides ads of people looking for it. But on LinkedIn, I can target professionals and build my buyers list very easily. And that's a very welcoming thing. Like if you're asking people if they want to buy houses, that's not something they're going to get mad about, right? They're going to tell you yes or no. So again, hey Reach, build your buyers list on autopilot. It's literally a push button. So you get it set up. It'll find the real estate investors out there and ask them if they'd like to get a list of your properties.